Claude Opus 4.7 is here, and it changed AI coding again. What if I told you the newest Claude model is not just smarter, but also better at staying on task? And for developers, that matters more than raw IQ. Today, Anthropic launched Claude Opus 4.7. And no, this is not just another boring AI update. This one is built to handle harder coding, longer projects, and more complex work with less babysitting. Is this the model that finally makes AI feel more like a real teammate? Let's break it down fast. What changed? Claude Opus 4.7 is Anthropic's top-tier model right now. It's designed for serious work like coding, analysis, and agent-style tasks. The big promise is simple. It should be better at long, messy, real-world jobs. Not just answering questions, but actually following through. And that's huge, because most AI tools are good at starting tasks, but they lose focus when things get complicated. So, does Opus 4.7 fix that problem? Mostly, yes. Why do people care about this? Because the biggest update is on coding. Anthropic says Opus 4.0 is stronger at debugging harder code, working through long tasks, recovering from mistakes, and checking its own work more carefully. That means less AI almost got it situation and more AI actually finished the job. Is it only for programmers? No. It also improves document work, image understanding, and long context tasks. So if you work with screenshots, charts, reports, or large files, this could be very useful for you too. Here's what makes this release different. Anthropic is pushing the model toward precision. That means it follows instructions more literally. Sounds good, right? But there's a catch. If your prompt is vague, the model may not guess as much as older versions did. So the lesson is really simple actually. Clear prompts get better results. That's a big deal for teams building AI products. Here's something that matters a lot for developers. Claude Opus 4.7 also keeps the same pricing as before. That means users get a stronger model without a price jump. For developers, that matters really a lot. Better performance with no extra cost is a very attractive upgrade if you ask me. It also supports bigger workloads and stronger reasoning settings, which is useful for agent workflows and serious automation. If you have been using Claude for coding assistants, internal tools, or research workflows, this update is worth paying attention to. To sum up, Claude Opus 4.7 is not trying to be flashy, it's trying to be reliable. And that may be the most important AI upgrade of all, because in 2026, the winner is not always the model that talks the fastest. It's the one that keeps working when the task gets messy. So the real question now is if AI can code, reason, and stay focused better than before, not just what happens to the tools we already use every day, but also what happens to us.